Good morning, girls. Myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today, I'll be discussing about important questions which are expected questions for the examination paper, that is 2020 marathon, that is English mock test 1. Let us see what exactly it has been given in the slides. I request you guys, whoever is watching, to have a look my playlist where you will find maximum information regarding all MNS concerning papers. So let us see what initially had been given. We knew that we have got marks of near about 50 marks of English. In that, we have initially I have taken as a word or clause has to be inserted in that. So let us see what exactly we will get. Sir C.V. Raman was an eminent scientist. It is one thing we should remember. What are the meanings have been given in the multiple choice, we have to remember them. Here eminent means who is well versed and expert. So here imminent means which is going to happen, that is danger or whatever it is. See here itinerant is a traveler, he is not a traveler. Immigrant means one who goes outside the nation, he is immigrant. So here the C.V. Raman is a scientist, he was a good and expert who had found Raman effect. Next we have I don't think I can put up. Here put up has to be used. Put out means to extinguish something, to extinguish the fire. You have to put out the fire. So that is what exactly you use the phrasal verbs and how the phrasal verbs are to be used. Next we have the host. Here put on means cloth, put off means switch off. So you have to remember all the phrasal verbs what you can do maximum. The host offered me tea, but I denied it. Instead of denying, what exactly can be inserted over here? That is, I refused it is well good in these places. Grain they had was damaged by seawater. So whatever the grain they had was damaged by seawater. Here please you see how exactly the sentence had been used. Whatever they had. Had is a past form of have had. So this is whatever the grain they had damaged by seawater. Here whatever the grains are there, they are uncountable, they are in a quantity manner. If they are countable, we can use the few. For the uncountable thing, we can use little. So it's a quantity based, so here little has to be used. Please remember, few is used only for the numbers and little is used for the quantity. So here the little is the one which is to be used. He traveled between 1200 and 1600. Remember one thing, there are compound conjunction, coordinating conjunctions you have to remember. Please check my playlist of the conjunction how exactly it has to be there. Here between should be followed by and, from is followed by to, that is from 12 o'clock to 1600, and so that there are various things you have to remember, to and to. So these are mandatory, you have to go with the respective things. So here between should be followed between 1200 and 1600 is the right answer. So these are few things, please go through my playlist, otherwise you will start repenting. Next we have the union budget is likely to be presented on February 14th, 2 days ahead of the date, that is 2 days ahead of the conventional date. Here whatever the budget has to be presented on the 14th of February, that is 2 days ahead of the conventional date is the right actual word has to be inserted in that place. I knew there are maximum you will be asked only preposition and all. You better go for the preposition, articles, that everything you will have. So don't worry, you have to remember each and everything. So here next, your father need not worry, I am very careful driver. So he is driving at that moment, he is telling that your father need not worry. It's not can't, it's not doesn't. Your father need, it's not required to worry, it's no needed to worry. So that is what need not. One should keep one's promises. One should be followed by once only, not one. So please remember, C is the right option. One should be followed by once. And the same manner, source has to be followed by that. Two has to be followed by two, between, and these are all few things I had already discussed. The site chosen for the construction of the building is the heart of the city. So here you have to remember, whatever the site it has been given, that is SIT, it's a land. Site SIGHT is vision. So these are all different. Slight means very less slight content. So these are few things you have to remember. The sun rises in the east. We knew that raising is different, rising is different. Signs different, and rain during the rain off. So these are all different meanings, but different accent is same in some cases. The sun rises in the east is the rises is the right answer for this. Next we have fill up the alternative in this. The starving man was barely able to walk. This is one thing you have to remember. Whoever the starving man, he was barely able to walk, has to be fit in this place, because you will have such a situations where you have to write that alternative over here. The new railway counter at Dwarka should benefit travelers. So this is one thing. Whatever the new railway counter at Dwarka should benefit travelers. My younger brother looks after my grandfather. Here looks after means to take care of the grandfather. Due to heavy rains, the match was called off. It is something phrasal verb that is called off. It means cancelled. The management gave us permission to go ahead with the new curriculum. So in this, what exactly to be remembered is go ahead means to proceed. The Mount Everest has earned the dubious distinction of being the world's highest garbage dump. Please remember guys, it is dubious means you have to go through what exactly the Mount Everest has earned the dubious distinction of being the world's highest garbage dump. It's one thing. What exactly the dubious meaning, you can directly comment me in this section. In this, it has repetition is the one. You can directly give maximum examples of dubious in this comment section. Next we have the preposition, how exactly the preposition can be used. Sunita's sister had ribbons on her hand is given. It is very wrong. Whatever the ribbons, they are in her hand. Next we have she has an ability for mathematics. Here the ability, instead of using ability, she has an aptitude for mathematics is the right answer. I was imprisoned by it is the right answer here. I was imprisoned by it. He works in this factory from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. I told you guys, when there is a from exist, it has to be followed by the to, between followed by the and. So which is very mandatory. No other snake is poisonous as this one. So here whatever had been given, no other snake followed by is the correct answer. You should not use no other snake or no other snake is as poisonous as this one. Here as and as had been used. Please remember it is in comparative form. I bought 4 dozen mangoes. Here what you have to remember is he had bought how many mangoes? For the 4 dozen of mangoes he had brought. So here instead of using dozen of mangoes, he has to use dozen mangoes is the right answer. I have still to meet here a person who is perfectly satisfied with his job. That is, you have to remember, I am yet to meet. This is what exactly the sentence had to be used. Here I am yet to meet a person who is perfectly satisfied with his job. Next we have Kim is too impatient with tolerating. That is, instead of using the tolerating, you have to use to tolerate is the right answer. So please remember guys, here instead of using with tolerating, you have to use to tolerate. So in this, gerund form is essential. Instead of using gerund, you can't use others. Here whatever has instead of using gerund, you have to use with the to form, that is to tolerate is the right answer. Gerund is ing form, you can't use that. Okay, Kim is too impatient to tolerate any delay is the right answer. Next we have articles usage, how exactly it has to be used. Corrected, it's not a preposition based, or it's articles usage, whatever you can directly go through in this. I do not think that he is qualified for the post. here exactly qualified for the post, not of the post, because that for is mandatory, that is telling the reason for that post. Okay, next we have he reached the station. Once there is a reached, it means that is V3 form, and after that it's a he reached the station in time. So in that, after there is no preposition can be kept after the reached. Please remember, no preposition has to be used after he reached to the station is the wrong answer. He reached the station in time is the right answer. He has not recovered from his illness. Here, recovery from some disease itself, from illness. This is what exactly recovery from. Recovered from. Recovery follows by from. You have to remember few phrasal prepositions. We have to completely should be followed by the respective one only. You must abide by the promise. It means abide by means you have to stand for that. You have to obey that. You must abide by the promise is the right answer. He is deficient in the art of singing. He is deficient in the art of singing is the right answer. Next we have the child found an egg in the nest. Here exactly to be used is whatever the articles we have, definite and indefinite articles. Here a and an is indefinite and definite is the. So here whatever the articles have been given, the child found an egg in the nest is the right answer. He is the man who met me in the college is the right answer, because here indicating specifically that man. He is the man who met me in the college is the right answer. She forgot the umbrella when she had bought from the market. So she forgot the umbrella which she had bought from the market is the right answer. Next we have no article is used in front of all the metals like gold and lithium or elements whatever you have. Lithium is the lightest metal in the periodic table. So here prior those elements it cannot be required to use in front of the metals. So lithium is the lightest metal in the periodic table is right answer instead of using the or A. The Mughal emperor who is expert in Veena. We knew that Mughal emperor, the Aurangzeb was the one who was the expert in Veena. So in the Veena we can't use, in a Veena cannot be used. So whatever the instrumental things we have and the music instruments in front of them we can't use any kind of preposition. Please remember guys, they are very useful. Next we have she is an intelligent girl. This is one thing you have to remember. She is an intelligent girl. Here whatever has been given, she is an intelligent girl is the right answer. English is the language of the people of England. Here whatever the language had been given, it is shown as specifically the people of England is the right answer, where specifically people of England can be prefixed by the. We discussed the matter seriously. Whatever the matter, it was discussed by them. So that is the reason why they had used the. Man thought a wonderful animal. So whatever we can see, it says some foreign terminology. Man is the one among all, is a wonderful animal. John is a young boy. You can't use here an, because though it is a yeah, so you can't use John is young boy, a young boy. Banaras is a holy city of the Hindus. Please remember, it is a holy city. He returned home after an hour. Here hour is there, it is no hour, it is hour. So he returned home after an hour. So whatever the sound with the a, though it has started with the consonant that is h, it has to be placed an. Honesty men always speaks the truth. Whoever is honesty, those men always speaks the truth is the right answer. The school will shortly close for the Christmas holidays. Here the Christmas holidays is the one which is to be remembered. This is the definite article to be used. The sun sheds his beams on the rich and the poor alike. So whoever is whether poor or rich, the sun is always same. that sheds his beams in a equal quantity. He died a year ago. Here, whatever has been given, he died a year ago is the right answer. The lion is the king of beasts. Please remember, whoever the lion is there, that is the king of beasts is the right answer. Next, we have who is the girl standing at the gate. Here, especially mentioning someone, so in that case you have to use the in this. Which is the longest river in America? So here the longest, when there is a superlative degree where you have to use the is mandatory. London is a very costly place to live in. So here London is a very costly is the right answer. The children found an egg in the nest. Here whatever the children we have, whoever the children we have, they had found what? An egg. India is one of the most populous countries in the world. So here one of the most is given, that is a superlative form in the world is the right usage of the article. Please remember guys, articles is mandatory. I request you guys to check playlist. You can even join on Defense ICT Telegram. 800 plus question papers have been given. You can directly go through them. This is my playlist. Have a look in it. And even MN examination papers also given with the mock test. You can directly go through them. Now we have the one word substitutions. Too much official formality be done if you go to some places where you have to do maximum official formalities in the governmental sectors. That exactly is one type of red tapeism. Please remember, nepotism is one thing, that is Sridevi's daughter will get the promotions in movies and she will get the offers. That is one type of nepotism. Recently Sushant Singh Rajput had died because of this nepotism only. Next we have diplomacy, something which is done by the great politicians in a diplomatic manner. Bureaucracy, that is a government by the great personalities. That cannot be conquered. We knew that invincible is the one, like there are a few people, Hercules is the one which is he was invincible, who cannot be defeated. Like we have Ronaldo is the one of the best footballer, he is invincible. Incredible means one cannot be believed, it's unbelievable. Invulnerable, I want you guys to comment me in this section what exactly the meaning of invulnerable. Infallible means one who doesn't make any kind of mistakes. He is such a nice person, such a perfect guy, Mr. Perfect. Infallible, he will not do any kind of mistakes. Spotless. An excessively morbid desire to steal. We knew that there are few children who is desirous to steal, kleptomania. So that means he wants to steal something smaller things like a pilfer activities. Like we can say small pens have been taken from the stores, or any pencils have been taken, or any eraser have been stolen. So these are small things which are stolen. Those are kleptomania things. So he is known as what? Who steals? He is pilfer. Next, stealomania, there is nothing. Taxidermy is a person who collects the skin of the animals. He is a taxidermy. Gatecrasher means unexpected guest. He has not given any kind of invitation. He is a great gatecrasher. That which is no longer fashionable or in use, as you can see to the right side how exactly the telephone looks like. This is one thing you have to remember. This telephone is no more. Now we have the mobile phones, that is obsolete things actually. Archive means we put the things, old things aside in a place. That place is archive. We can see in a soft copy also. Unused means which cannot be now, there is no use at all. We are not using them. Ancient means which are greater generations, like ancient things, whatever we have, unique things. That has a double meaning. As you can see, confusion things will have the double meanings. That is ambiguous, which is confusion. Uncertain means which is not certain. Dubious, I want you guys to give me what exactly the meaning of this dubious. Circumlocution means you are not coming to the straight to one point. Keep on moving from one place to other place and rotating one thing. Sorry. Next we have one word substitutions. An abattoir, that is a place where animals are slaughtered. We knew that from where we get the mutton, that is the place where the animals are slaughtered. The man with abnormal habits, he is eccentric. He has got different type of habits. He is eccentric. Words inscribed on the tomb, those words are epitaph. So we can see the words whatever had been inscribed on the tomb, they are all epitaph. Hypothesis, proposition made as a basis for reasoning without the assumption of truth. As you can see, that is one thing you have to remember. This is hypothesis. The whatever the proposition made as a basis for the reasoning without the assumption of the truth, that is what exactly imagining something. Indifference to pleasure and pain, that is stoicism is the one which is indifferent to the pleasure and pain. No longer a child but not yet an adult, that is adolescent. He is the guy who is no longer a child but not yet an adult. Next we have allure. What exactly the meaning of allure is? Entice. Here whatever the synonyms and has been given, alluring means entice something, to allure something means to excite something. Next we have, please go through this. What exactly the meaning of allure? I want you guys to comment me. I think there is something I had done some correction in it. Please go through this and please reply me in this comment section. Condone. Condone means ignoring something, like forgiving something. Leave it. Whatever happened. So ignoring something like that. Next we have candid. It's a clear chart, frank chart. Next we have audacious, that is daring is one thing you have to remember, audacious. Mollify means assuage and lessen is the one which is to be remembered. Next we have the conscript. It's a draft, enlist, enroll and recruit. This is one thing. It's a conscript. Impediment means it's something coming on hurdle or obstacle for you. Impious, that is unholy, like whatever you do, unholy activities, atheistic activities. Indolent means he is lazy, sluggish and slothful and lethargic. He is slack guy. Inevitable means which cannot be avoidable. Whatever the unexpected accidents, it happens. It's inevitable. It is unavoidable, which may happens anytime. Alert means watchful, be infringe and violate. These are all alert, intricate, and even these are all few things you have to remember. Alert means watchful. Infringe means violating something like that. Next we have intricate means tangled. And jovial means he is cheerful. He is very jovial attitude. Next we have stringent. Stringent means rigorous, and it's also knave and dishonest. Here we have the knave who is a dishonest person. Stringent means rigorous. Lavish means he is a very lavish person. He is a spendthrift like Vijay Mallya. Lure means attracting something. So something which is attractive, lure. Liable means he is responsible. You are liable for that. You are responsible for that and accountable for that. Perturbed means it's anxious, perturbed. Paramount means foremost is the one. Paramount, we knew that, which is the foremost of the meaning. Appease. To pacify, calm, placid, tranquil. These are the meanings of this appease. Next we have the precarious means doubtful, which is very doubtful. He is precarious, always precarious. Next we have concede means admit is the one which is concede is the right answer. Startled means frightened. Substantial means considerable. Obviously, he is substantial, it is substantial, it's considerable, no problem. Impromptu means having without preparation, no preparation at all. It's extempore speech, whatever you give extempore speech, we give without preparation. Tenacious means he is bloody tenacious, he is stubborn. Wicked means he is a wicked guy, he is immoral, he has no morals at all. Redeem means recover something. Tumultuous means violent, he is violent, he is tumultuous. He is a violent guy, aggressive guy. Vagrant means roaming, he is always vagrant, keep on moving one place, one other place. Next we have the venerable means he is honored. I am venerable for this meeting, I am honored for this meeting. Veteran means I am the naval veteran. You knew that I am retired from Indian Navy, so I am the naval veteran. So I am experienced in Navy. Opposite of this is novice means who is wet behind the ears, means who has no experience at all. Wave means to remove something, to wave off, to waive the tax, to remove. Immaculate means he is spotless. Wilt means perish, to perish something, destroy something. Wary means be wary, be cautious, do not go in that place. So that is what. Vilify means defame, vilifying someone and defaming someone. Next we have antonyms. Volatile, we knew that temporary in nature. Whatever the RAM we have, it is volatile in nature, that is a temporary. So what exactly the opposite is? Stable. Non-volatile means permanent. Aggressive, something very angry. Favorable means what is favorable to you. Pompous means it's very humble to you. Pompous, boasty, very egoistic attitude, that person is pompous. Humble means he is very polite and very cooperative. And I want you guys to comment me what exactly the meaning of meek. Grandiose means showing more. Pompous and grandiose both are synonyms. Placid, that is something you have to remember here. Calm, tranquility, but in this case opposite has been asked. Storm is the one which is the opposite to this. Rest, dull, it's something different. Moving, different. Urgent, different. Eccentric means strange. He is eccentric, he is strange guy, but there are few people who is normal. That guy is eccentric. Ingenious means something. Even my YouTube channel is Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. I don't know whether you guys are aware of it. I am very sorry guys. Ingenious means something. I want you guys to go through this, which is creative, something different. Here whatever has been given, the opposite of this, I want you guys to go through this opposite. Ingenious, one is clear. Clear is the one had been given. Something innovative is the ingenious, the meaning of it. So opposite of that, whatever has been given, go through this, and there is some small correction in it. You can directly go through whatever has been given. The opposite of ingenious, please go through this. Next we have the antonym. Captivity, opposite is freedom, though the captivity means custody and imprisonment. Insolent means we have the opposite is rude and courteous, audacious, impudent, respectful. So insolent means disrespectful. Reticent means he doesn't speak at all. He is always introvert personality. He doesn't speak. Extrovert means who always speaks and shares the feelings. Introvert means he doesn't share at all. He is reticent. Opposite is communicative. He is extrovert. Communicative, he is always extrovert. Debonair means she is debonair. She is charming. Unelegant is the opposite of it. Curb means to control someone, to curb someone. Insight means to provoke, and insight are different things. Liability, that is accountability. Opposite is asset and benefit. Fiasco means humiliation and disaster is the one. Opposite is success and attainment is the right answer. Next we have to keep in abeyance is in a state of suspension is the right answer. To keep in abeyance. To be in a fix, to be in a difficult situation. To break the ice, there are few meetings where let us break the ice. It means let us people get relaxed and to have the conversation. As draft as a brush, extremely silly. It's as draft as brush, that is extremely silly. In a nutshell means briefly and concisely. It's very briefly and concisely, that is in a nutshell. Gate crasher, I told you already, who is unexpected guest. White elephant, we knew that it is one type of burdensome. We can't manage that. Dark horse, now you guys to comment me in this section what exactly the meaning of the dark horse. Next we have the black sheep. He is a black sheep in his house. It means he is a bad reputation. Scapegoat, Balika Bakra. It means we have the person who is a scapegoat, who will be ahead in every places, and he will be starting listening all type of whatever we can tell. He is the main Bakra, so he will be always cut in everywhere. In cold blood, that is whatever in cold blood, you guys comment me in this section what exactly the cold blood. There is a various meaning of cold blood, and now I want you guys to give this what exactly the cold blood is. Hard nut to crack, it's very difficult job. Beck and call, always ready. I'll be always in beck and call. Whenever you call, I am ready to come. Next few idioms and phrases, please remember, guys. These are one thing. I don't think more than this you may get. One of the best idioms I had chosen. So please go through this. Give the green light means, obviously, whenever you go to the train, you will get the green light. That is, assent means approval. You will get the approval. Once in a blue moon means occasionally you start coming occasionally once in a blue moon. Raining cats and dogs means, we knew that it's raining cats and dogs means it's raining very hard, very maximum. Paint the town red means, we knew that there is a festival which is called as La Tomatino. That festival is celebrated in which state, which nation? That is in Spain, where you will find bullfighting. So this one thing you have to celebrate. Paint the town red means celebrating something. See through rose colored glasses. So whatever the glasses we have, that is rose colored glasses. Seeing through that means he is optimistic guy. He is very positive minded. White collar job, we knew what are the bank jobs we have, they are all white collar jobs. Blue collar jobs, whatever the factory jobs we have, that is blue collar jobs. At the 11th hour means in the last minute. That is what exactly to be remembered. In the 11th hour means in the last minute. On the mark means he is correct, he is always on the mark. In a flash means very quickly is the right answer. In a flash. Next we have on cloud 9 means he's on top of, he's on cloud 9. Next we have even over the moon means on the top is the right answer. Next we have in seventh heaven means he is in seventh heaven after succeeding this, clearing the examination. It means he is very happy. Party pooper means he has always a negative attitude. He is a party pooper. Worry what means worry about everything. This is what exactly to be remembered. He is a worry what, always he will be worried about something. Armchair critic means says negative and do nothing. He is the guy armchair negative, armchair critic. Get tied up means get stuck in is the right answer. Have an eye for means have the ability to do something well is one thing you have to remember. He is have an eye for and something. To axe to someone means to suspend, to screw someone. Pick up the slack means finish the work whatever has been given. So whatever the slack we have in the rope, so tighten it. So it means finish the work. Finish the other work. Like there are people, there will be a slack. Other like some people will be slack. You have to correct them, you have to cooperate with them, and you have to finish other works. Giving cold shoulder means this is one thing you have to remember, guys. To giving cold shoulder means to avoid something, to ignore someone. Big fish in a little pond means, example, whether you think or not, overqualified worker in a small company. Even here I am standing in some places where in a small village in South India, and from there I am giving the maximum coaching regarding all competitive examinations. I had uploaded 1100 plus videos and I am going towards maximum the content I can provide and I can prepare best for my examinations. So this is the way how I prepare for my exams and I am doing it my best, and this is what I feel like. I am the big fish in a little pond. Obviously I have done that work. Big cheese, it's an important person in origin is the one big cheese. Sugar daddy, he's a wealthy old man. As you can see, Vijay Mallya is a guy who is lavish and who spends on women. Butterflies in my stomach, that is getting nervous. It is not rats in stomach, it is butterflies in stomach, guys. Rats in stomach is different and butterflies in stomach is getting nervous. Smell a rat means feeling something suspicious may happen, that is smell a rat. Spill the beans means to reveal something, that is spill the beans. Rat race means to keep busy towards useful. I knew that. I am preparing for exams and I am always in a rat race because I want to succeed in some examinations, so I have to be always be in a rat race. When pigs fly, you will never see the bloody pigs are going to fly, so they will never fly. Crocodile tears, bloody crocodile tears, she is always in a mood of crocodile tears means she is always pretending something. keep your fingers crossed. Or you can see in some places where you'll find your fingers crossed. It means that is something to happen in favor, like during the time of any kind of matches. You can see the girls, they used to keep the fingers crossed and expecting and praying for the god to something to happen in favor. A piece of cake, easy as pie. They are all, it's very easy work. It's a piece of cake. It's a this work, studying is a piece of cake, learning something is a piece of cake for me. It's very easy for me. Red letter day, that's important day, that is the one. So these are the maximum idioms, guys. I hope all this marathon English will help you a lot. If you guys really like it, I want you guys to comment me how many marks you can give for out of 100. Like, I want you guys to give me the feedback how exactly it is. If it is very good, please share it to your friends, let them also be benefited. Next we have vivacious. What exactly? Here spell check, you may be given few spelling, you have to remember where exactly you get confused. Vivacious, it is not SIOUS man, it is CIOUS. It is cheerful, spirited, lively, vibrant and energetic is the meaning of them. Next we have beneficiary, that is here payee, again recipient. These are all what exactly the meaning. Here beneficiary, whatever has been given, it is not ERY man, it is beneficiary, BENEFICIARY. So you have to remember, you can't get confused. Bureaucracy means government by the officials. You have to remember what exactly the bureaucracy is, very important one. You may be asked various time. BUREAUCRACV. You have to split in such a manner. Cracy is, you are aware. Bureau, you have to remember. So bureau, please pronounce in such a manner you can not get any kind of spelling mistakes. Accessory, sorry. So please remember, it is not RRY. So you have to go through what are the meaning as well as whatever the word has been given, that will help you in cracking your job. Accessory means fixture and fitment. Dilemma, that is some problem and cause. Now we can see what exactly where you get the words of confusion. You may get the spelling check, the questions, don't miss them, these are very important. Accommodate, it is, you may think that there is one M, it is not one M, guys, it is double M will be there. Calendar you have, it's not DER, DAR is the right answer. Conscientious, scientious, please remember, this is one thing you have to remember. SCI. Embarrassment, embarrass, double S. So please remember, embarrassment. So the double R and S, that helps you a lot. Embarrassment. So that helps you in making your spellings correct. Hierarchy, hierarchy, hierarchy. Indispensable. So this is what you have to, the way you have to, indispensable. So this is what you have to remember. Maintenance. Mischievous. So this is what you have to pronounce and you can directly remember whatever you want. Occasionally. So this is what single S. Occurrence. No, it's not R. Perseverance is the right answer. Possession. So please remember, double SESSION. Possession. Questionnaire, double N. Please remember, guys. Recommend. So that is single S, single C. Referred. So refer, that R has come, so you can directly put double R. Relevant, whatever the relevant information. Not relevant, it's not, it is relevant. Weird, weird. Weird. Maneuver. So there are pronunciation, you have to say maneuver, but here maneuver is the spelling. Maneuver. Unnecessary. So this is what you have to remember. C, single C, unnecessary. Broccoli, it is broccoli. So that double C has to be there. Broccoli. Entrepreneur. Really, guys, if you start remembering this type of pronunciation, you will never make any mistake. Entrepreneur, neo, that is the NEU. Liquefy, liquefy. So that liquefy is the right answer. Parallel, lull. That lull is a double L. Next, voice change, that is active voice and passive voice. The MD told us about the new project. This one thing you have to remember, guys. Whoever the MD is there, he told us about the new project. That is active voice. Here told is what? V2 form. Whenever in active voice there is a V2 form, you have to use in the passive voice with the whatever the verb we have, whatever the subject we have here, we. The object, that is we. Us had become directly we. We is a plural. We were told, that has to be followed with the helping verb plus main verb, that is verb plus V3. So that is, we were told about the new project by the MD is the right answer. Sally gave the beggar an old sari. Here gave is what? V2 again. We will get the beggar, whoever. Sally gave the beggar an old sari. An old sari is singular, so was has to be used, and given is V3 to the beggar by a Sally. Do they sell construction material? Here whatever had been given, that is in a question form. So in this case, is has to come first. Here construction material is what? It is singular. Is the construction material. Sell becomes sold by them is the right answer. So here do had been given, that is the reason. Here is had used. If it had been used as did they sell construction material, then you have to write was the construction material sold by them. If you don't know these guys, I am very sorry, you are nowhere to go. So you have to learn maximum, go through my playlist, learn a lot how to make active and passive. You have to learn whatever, wherever you score, you can directly catch those keywords. These green color are all are keywords, so don't drop them. You have to catch the keywords only in the exams. Next we have, they said that the earth is round. Here whatever had told, that has been told in a past tense. So it was said that the earth was round. So whatever has been given, the earth is round, is will become what? Was round. So that is one thing you have to remember. You can't keep the same one. It is not a indirect speech. It is a voice change. Here it was said that earth was round is the right answer. He has written a poem which fascinates everyone. Here everyone is fascinated by the poem which has been written by him. So please remember, he has written, has been written, it has become had been written. In the case of fascinates, it has become everyone is singular, everyone is fascinated by the poem which he has, which has been written by him. This is what? In a passive form. Next we have direct and indirect speech. I don't know whether you will be given in the subjects in the exams. If you have been given one or two, grab it. Socrates said that, here as you can see, Socrates said virtue is its own rewards. This is one thing you have to remember. It is a truth, universal truth or fact or proverb. So you have to remember that Socrates said that virtue is its own rewards. He said to the interviewer, could you please repeat the question? So here he requested the interviewer if he could repeat the question. Here what exactly is requesting interviewer? I reiterated, I don't care about the job. See here whatever has been given, I reiterated that I did not care about the job. Here reiterated is in a past tense, so don't becomes did not. So always do will become did in the past tense. He said he goes for a walk every morning. He said I go for a walk every morning. This is what you have to remember, which is in a direct speech. Now it is indirect speech. So these are one thing you have to remember. He said I go for a walk every morning. Here said has been given, so that is the reason he. Remember guys, there is some small error over in it. You can directly go through how exactly, what exactly the error is. Here he said had been given, it is in a past form. What exactly has to be given in this? Now you guys comment me in this section. I knew the answer, but I don't want to tell that. If you have understood, I want you guys to comment me what exactly he said. I go for a walk every morning can be written. I want you guys to give me the information. Next we have the spectators said, "Bravo, well done players." The spectators applauded the players saying that they had done well. So here applauding something. So that is what the spectators applauded the players saying that they had done well. Next we have few jumble sentence or arranging sentence. You can see what exactly the errors will find. So if you have any kind of error detection also, you can directly go through that. The job of drawing water from the village well is usually carried out by the women and young girls. Here the job of drawing water, it is not job for drawing water, job of drawing water is, there is few things. He is a job of playing, he has a job of playing, so it's not job for playing, job of playing. I remember him as someone who was a lot nicer than circumstances warranted. That is one thing. No error is the right answer. Several days passed before Jeff worked over enough courage to return to the house. Here Jeff had worked is very important. It is not Jeff worked. Jeff had worked is the right answer, because several days passed is in past tense. Jeff had worked over enough, so he had already completed that task first, and then several days passed is the second time. So whatever the first action had been completed, that is should be always in the form of had V3. So we knew that the train had left when I reached the station. So this is what you have to remember. So first action will be had plus V3. Next we have his parents usually spend their summer in Ooty, but this year they are spending in Darjeeling. So here you have to remember his parents usually had come. When there is a usually, you have to use the present, that is spend is the right answer. Spent is the V2 form, that is past. He lost heart because he could not cope up with the difficulties in life. Please remember guys, here something you have to remember is he could not cope with is the right answer. Cope up has to be removed. Up will never use with the cope. He could not cope with the difficulties in life. That is the right answer. That's it guys. This is my mobile number 7667302252. If you guys are watching this, I want you guys to share it. Please do not download it offline. I request you guys, my videos are very useful. Do not download offline. I want you guys to buffer online, which will give you maximum watch time for me. Thank you guys. I want you guys to call me or message me. 2100 PDF of GK and GS will be given for a free of cost. I want you guys to watch on everything online only, because I am here to help you and you guys to help me in this manner by seeing online videos. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Have a great life. I am doing my part as a Indian Naval veteran. My intention is to give the maximum information and to gain something from the YouTube and to do well in my career. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a great life. Be successful in your life.